so welcome back to my channel. You're new here. I'm getting ready to try my best and work out with this ball right here. So go ahead and visit my playlist. I have a playlist of me exercising, so if you want to see more, I'll make sure that I leave it down in the description box. I'm going to do squats and I'm going to work my abs with this right here. So stay tuned for the video. Okay, I'm going to be doing 3 sets of 10. So I'm going to get the ball. This is 4 pounds, so I'm going to go lean back. I'm going to lean back into it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I said, okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Whew. Already. I'm going to do that 3 more times 10. Okay, that'll give me a 30, which that should be 60. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let me turn around so you can see me even better. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 60, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. 10 squats. Work your gluteus maximus, your glutes, okay? So I'm going to put this out in front of me. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. so easy. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I lost count. I can do some more push-ups. I just stretched. Now I'm about to go ahead, cool my body down, and get on out of here. I hope you've enjoyed me working with the toning ball. And I went ahead and worked my core, my abs, and I did some push-ups and of course squat. But I hope you enjoyed. So go ahead and visit my playlist, and most definitely come back and visit me again. Give me a thumbs up. Take care of yourselves, and peace.